Good morning, everybody. So today what we're doing is we're going to try to make some bowl blanks out of this thing, and this lump of wood has been sitting in the corner of my shop for years. My dad cut an oak tree down in his front yard, and I kept some of the burl pieces. This is one of those pieces. It's a beefy boy, so it needed a lot more time to dry out. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut a cookie off of this and then cut that down into some manageable bowl blank sizes. If you enjoy content like this, woodworking, tips and tricks, stuff like that, make sure you give me a like and a follow. That way you won't miss any of my future content. I hope you're having an awesome day. I hope you enjoy the video, and we will see you in the next one. So I had no idea what to expect when I made that first cut, and when that cookie fell down and I saw the inside, I was a little bit disappointed immediately because of the worm tracks, there's some holes in it, some punky rotten wood, but the reality of it is that's just going to make these bowls that much more interesting. Yes, it may take some epoxy filling those cracks and voids, but a little extra work isn't going to kill me, and plus it's just going to give it that much more character. I thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're having an awesome day. We'll see you in the next one.